You're watching NickToons TV, and there's more NickToons TV coming up here on NickToons TV.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, who lives in a pineapple under the sea.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Oh, the fat's sucking away! Yeah, I'm gonna get in shape! Wait a minute! Something's going wrong! No! I'm getting too in shape! Oh, no!
We're not going anywhere, so neither should you. More NickToons TV coming up.